All right, you guys, we're down here on the river today. We're having a good time. Can't hardly see that black Toyota, but she's in there. Boy, howdy. Give that thing a little winch job up out of there. It's kind of a steep area. I'd do a little kinetic tug, but I think overall we'll just hook her up and yeah, buddy, she's in there. What's going on?
What's up, man? Yeah. We're out here. Kind of some car issues, but we're here.
So what happened?
Well, we decided to cross the river, and on the way back, the Toyota decided it didn't want to make it.
Yeah. Anyway, so sometimes when you get out here playing in the soft areas, you get stuck, and so we're going to get them hooked up and get them pulled out and get them back on the road again. Good time.
Yeah. I think the bike can get us farther than the truck.
I think got anything to hook to?
The truck?
Not sure. We're gonna hook them onto the e-bikes right now, bro.
Yeah, power that baby up.
Yo.
If I get this thing to work, got her plugged in, right? Come on, baby.
Where is it?
I don't know.
No, heat.
Never had any problems with it. Good thing I got a rope with me. We might have to pull you out the rope. What's up with that?
No quiere dar por
We got a mechanic right here.
quiere soltar.
Why not? The mechanic.
Nothing yet. Just in, no out. I might have to try and find a different controller.
Do you need to pull it out? Just unlock and pull.
Well, it's only got pressure on it now, but
Still locked?
it's still got pressure on it. Oh,
What about?
come on. I might have to see if I got a different controller. That's weird. Warranty work.
You know what? He's trying to make more time.
Oh, you get paid by the hour. That's right.
By now, you know. I do the same thing.
How often this crap happens?
Never.
I mean, this.
Oh, every day.
Okay.
Like I said, I've used this winch 5 times today.
Really?
At least. Maybe I'll pull you out with a rope.
He has a
rope.
YouTube channel, bro.
Let's get the rope.
How embarrassing is
You got a
that?
YouTube channel with all the rescues?
Yeah, I do all kinds of.
There you go.
Now look.
Maybe it's full of dirt. Oh, look at that.
Wait.
Tap test.
There you go. Right tap.
Como las mujeres mexicanas. El director.
Don't even have a tow hook.
Dijeron amigo mío, pero ese pinche culo pide pito a grito.
Put it neutral or what?
No, I'll have you help me drive once I get a little tugging on you.
Sí, güey, porque yo lo invité, güey, para que él entre.
Oh, ¿tú quieres entrar, güey?
Yo, bueno.
Tied to a tree.
Vete, güey.
The gas or the gas?
All right, we was having a little trouble getting him moving, so we decided we're going to hook a snatch block up. So from the Jeep, through a snatch block, back to the Jeep, and over to the tree. And that'll give me a good pull to get him moving. So we'll get it set up here real quick.
Spot that brake for me. You are in there.
Hey, wait. So we're pulling this guy out, which is my buddy actually. So we're out of the water, but we're still not out of the woods.
This is a real off-road. Trail rated.
So this is where we're at. This is what the man.
That was a good time right there.
Yeah, it was.
Nice assist.
Yeah.
Too much fun.
The outcome was. What do you got to say about your first time being stuck, sir?
He said it's his first time.
It is.
Could have fooled me.
We even got spectators over here. We got the crew right here that biked down to help us. Yep. Definitely water in the truck that we're pulling out. Got the biker buddies that came to help us for moral support. And we got Casey.
Get out of the way! Pretty steep climbing out of here. A lot uphill. Those guys are there behind me, just gonna come on up behind me. So.
Well, thanks for jumping in there with us today. We just worked our way out of here nice and easy. In the dark, there's not much to film, but pretty steep area, so we worked our way out. Made it back to the main road, and they went about their vacation, so good time was had by all.